Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday. It's probably about, what time is it? 6:41 in the afternoon, and it's still 102 degrees out here in Vegas. It's pretty hot. Gonna bring the V to the backyard. Gonna work on the cooling tank, get that mounted, start plumbing it up a little bit, see how far we can get to it today. I know there's a few fittings that I'm missing, so I'll have to stop by the hardware store tomorrow morning. But the good thing is I got my helper over here. Charles, where's my helper? Charles! There you go. There he is. Got my helper Charles over here. He's gonna help me knock this out pretty quick. Say what's up to the camera, lazy boy. There he is. Come on. But yeah. Also, my boy Devontae might come by. We're gonna be getting these fresh meats installed. He got some new ET streets for his CTS V. Last ones, he rode them till the wires showed. He's always over there doing John Force burnouts. So, you know, the last sets didn't last him too long. Got the roommates chilling in the garage. Let's get this thing fired up. Gotta love cold starts. She gone cam. Motherfucker chops. Got my boy Devontae in the house. So what's up?
What's up, YouTube?
Yes, sir. Gonna get them meats mounted. Nice little clean coupe. This is his YouTube, also his Instagram. Give him a follow. Alright, let's get started. Alright, got everything a little set up back here. Two box out. Got the tank out. Water pump. Water line finally showed up. It was on back order. Got some fittings here. Remove this. Probably gonna have to remove the bumper too. Alright, let's figure it out. Alright, gonna Teflon this bad boy right here. This one goes to here. This is provided by P&R. They send you this fitting. It goes onto your EMP pump. And it's gonna go here. Alright, gonna set this down so I can get this Tefloned up. Alright, so you got the pump mounted. Next one I'm going to do is the drain. This is going to be the drain right here, which is this right here. It's cool. Got a little lever right here. Alright, this is where we're at with the tank. Got the drain installed. Got the pump installed. Got the dash 12 installed in here. This is the fitting I'm missing. Gonna have to go to the parts store tomorrow and get that. But ready to mount this in the trunk. Get it mocked up. Alright, cool. Take these screws out. I drilled my holes already on the tabs. Gonna line it up, hit it with a marker, and then drill my holes. A little dark out here, but it's best I can see. Holes are drilled, it's all bolted down. Got the pump on, got the drain in, got the hose down. Hose comes out from the bottom. It's probably gonna be hard to see, but notice that Cadillac has factory holes already made. They have like these plastic tabs right here. Pop 2 of them out. I'm thinking that's where I'm gonna run my feet in my return. That way I don't have to drill no extra holes in the body. But see what we do next. Alright, as you can see, it got a little dark. Got the see if we get some more light. Got the car on the lift, got the bumper off. Got a little drain pan. Got this at Home Depot. It's to mix cement, but it's perfect to catch coolant. It's like 10 bucks. Gonna drain the heat exchanger. Got the wheel wells off. That's where the old pump is at. Gonna remove this and drain from here. Alright, let's do it. Got it draining. There should be a few gallons in there. That's all good. Alright, so this is where we're at. Blower is coming out. Forgot to record for a little bit, so you guys skipped out on. You guys are gonna miss out on a few parts, but Captain over here just said, "Screw it, let's take it off." Yank it. That's what Oscar said. So here we go. I'm gonna take the belt off next and get ready to pull that blower out. Got a young nephew right here taking out the 8 mils. Bad boy's almost ready to come out.
Just like doing an oil change.
Just like doing an oil change, you said.
Oh, it is.
Alright, next part of the clip should be with the blower out. What's happening, Charles? Alright, see where we left off yesterday. GoPro died yesterday, or last night when we were wrenching on this. Show you guys a quick update of where we're at. Got the car covered. So we ended up getting the blower off yesterday, thanks to my nephew Oscar and Devontae rolling up, helping out, giving a hand. Bless you. Over there sneezing. But here we are. I got the new blower gaskets coming in before we drop the new one in. Got that, waiting on that to come in, and probably once we get the blower installed, I'm gonna do the headers next. Let's cover this thing back up. It's supposed to get a little windy later, so alright, let's do a blower comparison. So this is what was on the car previously. So you can see stock, no port, and this is what's going on there now. Right away off the top, you can see the opening on this. It's way bigger versus the factory. So a max effort port. I believe this is a true 102 or a 104 port that Lemon's Performance did. Another cool thing that Lemon's Performance does, so you can see the runners here. Those are the factory runners, and then this is when they port the runners. Also, you can see the difference on the opening right there. Alright, I set my workbench underneath the porch. That way I'm not under the sun getting burnt up. But blower gaskets just showed up not that long ago. Some fresh AC Delco gaskets. I took the lid apart, got the old barb style fittings out. Took the sensors off and everything. Gonna drop this off to get powder coated. Still trying to figure out what color we're gonna go with, but that's the next move. That's where we're at. Alright, that will do it for today's video. There will be a part 2, but gonna end the video right here. Alright, man. Peace. Catch you on the next one.